Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure insights with a SEMrush beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the SEMrush website and create an account if you haven't already. Log into your SEMrush dashboard to access its various tools and features. Begin with the Domain Overview tool, which provides a snapshot of any website's performance. Enter a domain name into the search bar and click Search. Review the key metrics such as organic search traffic, paid search traffic, and next, explore the Keyword Analytics section to discover keyword performance. Type in relevant keywords to uncover search volume, difficulty, and potential traffic. Utilize the position tracking feature to monitor your website's rankings over time. Set up a new project by entering your domain and selecting the keywords you want to track. Check the Site Audit tool to identify technical SEO issues on your website. Run an audit to receive a detailed report on errors, warnings, and suggestions for improvement. Dive into the traffic analysis section to understand your competitors' strategies. Compare your domain with competitors to identify areas where you can improve. Use the Backlink Analytics tool to analyze your backlink profile and discover new link building opportunities. Search for potential backlink sources by entering competitors' domains. Access content marketing tools to evaluate how your content performs and find new ideas to engage your audience. Explore the SEO Writing Assistant to optimize your content based on SEO best practices. Compile your findings into a report using the My Reports feature for easy sharing. Regularly revisit these tools to keep your insights updated and stay ahead of the competition. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.